Welcome back to our channel. I know it's been a while, but yeah, we had to take a break due to some personal issues, but we are back and back for good. The goal is to get back to the schedule of posting once a week. Before we were posting one video every week, and that was every Wednesday, I believe, at 5:30 p.m. Central Time. So we're going to get back to that. Hope you all are doing great. And just want to thank you guys for sticking with us, even though the channel has been dry for the past couple of months. But thanks to you all for sticking with us, and we promise to just keep it on the up and up going forward. If you are new to this channel, our goal is to just show you our life as we all grow together. Hopefully, we can be able to inspire. That's the ultimate goal. So to show you what's going on in our lives as far as growth and that kind of stuff. So hopefully we can continue to do that, and we also shed some light on positive events going on in Liberia as far as current events and that kind of stuff, just to show the good stuff going on in our country, Liberia, and to be able to inspire folks to go back home and do something where we're very passionate about farming. So our channel, it's largely centered around agriculture, agribusiness, developing in that sector. So in this video, we're going to be taking you on our family farm. I don't know if you can see the signboard clearly, but that's Nitsan Farm. That's my surname. So we have 300 acres farm here, which is largely palm. But again, the palm trees are still, I think they're about a year old or so, so it's still young, and you can really see them in the grass. That's because it's a huge farm. As the workers are brushing one end of it, the other end is getting, the grass is growing back. So, but yeah, I mean, we're going to take you in to just see what's going on there. There are other things on this farm as well. There's a huge portion of it that's cocoa, where chocolate comes from. There's a rice portion to it, largely for feeding workers and folks that we have on the farm. There's a pineapple section. I think you can see the palm trees there a little bit clearer in this section. And then there's a portion of it that has not been cultivated yet. So we have to do in certain areas replanting. In certain areas we have to do new planting, which is something we've already embarked on. But yeah, just stick and stay with us and enjoy this video.
So that area that we're going to help.
Now, toujours cocoa inside there too.
Let me go get my phone and
Yeah, straight now.
I didn't rule out winning before water. I can't break it.
So as I stated, there's a portion of this farm that's in the land that's in dispute. So the folks that sold the land are requesting a resurvey. Apparently, they weren't 100% satisfied with the initial survey that was done. Certain members of the family that sold the land are not happy with that. So that whole portion with the where the cocoa is, the workers have been unable to brush it because every time they try to do that, there's this particular family member that's threatening to harm them with a machete, cutlass, as we call it in Liberia. So we've kind of put a hold on that until we can do a resurvey. But again, the cocoa trees are just in the bush there, and can't really be touched. So just wanted to shed some light on that. And hopefully we're working on getting that issue resolved. It's again, it's a dispute, but it's not really a huge issue. Once we can get that resurvey done, even though it costs a lot of money for that size of land to get the survey done, but to lay that issue to rest, that's something we'll have to do because we have to coexist with those people. I mean, we share boundaries with them. We have to coexist with them, just to live peacefully. So that's something we're working on at the moment, and hopefully we'll be able to get that part of the farm clean and start looking after the cocoa tree.
Yeah, and you know, I brought my booze.
The problem is you can be behind the camera.
Yeah, they can see you.
No, you behind the camera, you taking.
They can see you,
So
so.
it will be like you're not here.
I'll give it to them, man.
Yeah. What is the thing I should the video I should take now, not inside.
Yeah, because you don't.
Yeah, because I don't want to take it. So easy.
Now they want to talk about. Before I crossing we again. The farm or the clean around. No animal can test it.
That the one the woman was talking about.
Yeah, now how the woman was talking about to clean around it. Till the woman. Before I crossing we by no animal can.
You see, I'm a more just short of talk, but I can't talk before the people. They made a technician for agriculture. He said trying to figure in to work for him, but on a fine, I mean, paying you, appealing to him for him to be on a fine.
I probably same year, the town were in the camp. I be same year, but I wanted to do myself. At the Nitsan, I do cuckoo, palm, and rubber. Oh yeah, I know the chemical for it. I know it. I know the father also is going to go on it. I know the chemical is going to be yeah. The advantage is next month. We can start the cuckoo. I don't want to do it. I will be there too, yeah. Found a damn deal. What?
So fine. So fine, yeah.
So, we may find here, we may find bicycle, we may find here, there's a right one on our side. It's our farm. It's the farm. Yeah. Send up the farm. The one can bear the photo. You call it and you produce the horse. You can really get a country horse. You call it Debbie. Yeah, it's growing in the whole group farm. You can do it. You can sell one lot. You can 50 cents. And one 50 cents. What you need, rescale it. So, right, go by the Acre, I could have 5 portions there. I walk all the way, I went all the way inside there. For me to see the 25, 20. That could go there. You have to play anything there.
You talk about San David Square, I know.
Yeah.
You know something about that.
Yeah. You don't tell anything by it. I wait. Yeah, come by with them to do the subject. If you go beyond Daoma, because it is beyond Daoma, we had a nursery. Rest of the way we had a nursery.
Away.
Yeah,
Fine is a boss, the animal I am talking about. Farm to do it.
So, what we do here?
Then there's this.
They will call us to open farm nursery that we got. We are vast, or they will say we buy the farm by retail, they will compare the cost.
Yeah. And if anything fine in there, the better to make nursery.
That is the point of coming out.
Getting me? You make nursery, you get more farm. Well, let me nursery for next year to do replanting because now, like only the last month, yes. So we doing the planning now. The farm will die. For do the nursery. The nursery. We can buy the farm, the one says 10 million. The one you can build an overgrow farm, the one 10 million. So that one will be doing the nursery. We can make our own nursery. So we do the 10,000. Yeah. 10,000 fancy. Buy the food in there. I want to take them cover women and
It will even keep the women on the farm also. So because they don't want to.
For now, we have to do the spraying, fertilizer, and fertilizer and the chemical for it.
So that year we're working, we're going down so.
Yeah, because the first version. Started from the take about long. We can take about long outside, push it, then they start improving. We take the first long one outside.
They won't push it.
Then we took the second one. So that the tail one.
He replacement animal than each on inside.
Animal
inside.
Farm there.
Buy inside.
The animal there, just let it to be eaten.
No gone.
The pocket pound. Eat a pound.
Yeah.
It's sweet that more.
So now you have to do the nursery. Do the nursery will be alright.
So when do we begin nursery activity? In 1 month.
This month. Because this month and next year, June, will be alright.
So that means from now until June,
Yeah.
we'll prepare for playing. And before June, all the play will grow again. That pressing anyway.
No,
spray.
They want.
The chemical inside the chemical in the black container. That chemical, if you doing the spraying, you not dress proper. Anyone touch you, it will damage you. In the black container, it's get like acid. Boy, you spray here. If you say you not doing the brushing, you will keep the grass. If you doing the spraying, like the mold, the pump.
The chemical. Even the one can spray my Yahweh when the grass die.
Yeah.
When the one that can grow fresh.
Yeah, go fresh.
They can fertilize.
Yeah, milk grass. Yeah, bro, it gets
How are you doing the sago weeding for?
Nah,
Do the sago
spraying.
weeding before spraying.
Before spraying, they start winning. Yeah.
Before spraying, they can start with.
Yes, why start winning?
So when you spray, you will spray in between.
Yeah. The pan, they play the pan leaf. They play the pan leaf stop. I play. because if you can't do it for that, so I have to, because we get all of that, that one you grow palm. You go all of that, see, get a flower, what after that, you can grow palm, you can make palm to bear. You send it, you can get it from there. You get it all on one, call it sickle. And it's green. And it's bear, small bear, you can sell it on the father for 1 billion. You call it sickle, you send it. So you find the father house, whole farm at 25 there. So they spray for the chemical, about 10 things. The 10 things, you can sell it 25 and the 10 things, they want to spray the whole farm. The whole farm. That grass is in. But the spraying can be going in November. So if we're doing the spraying, we need the whole suit. The whole suit, we need a no mark, we need a protector. So we can spray the money, we can spray in the evening. Or so money spray, we start so money until from 6 to 10 in Nago. Because the chemical, the sun beat and the chemical can take. And doing the spraying, you have to get milk. You get milk. Because after you do the spraying, you have to bring the milk to count yourself. Yeah. When you get all I want, they get a spraying machine. Get me? The machine can be on your the spraying can be on your bike. Start it. That one too fast. And doing the spraying, you have to get water ball behind you. What you can carry water. I think you have to get running movement to do the spraying because I can't read right here. And I get water. I have to go back. For the water. You have to get water. People need to keep it out. Yeah.
They throw the water.
Yeah.
When I order water filling, they put new one, put the chemical. Yeah.
The water spraying. They spraying 20 and 10 years. They get it all on that machine. Yeah, they get a machine. So that one, you know, to just that one that you controlling it. It can be way wider. You spray for only thing you can consume water and gas. But I'm not saying when I take somebody else. Boy, taking somebody else at once. I've been on the fee. I've been on the fee for 9 and 10 years for agriculture. The Papa take me and I'm a second. I went to the Papa today. I brought him men. I thought
oh, but he's one of no, the man you add yet. You are add. So when the man talking about send that be square, no.
For busy, I'm on wait. You're busy penny. Pam, I want you to go. But you take somebody else out like that. But I you say you grow your pay, you get a matter. But to manage the farm, I work to manage the farm, to everything. Yeah. I've been on the field, I'm a 10 year old and
yeah, they do vegetable. Yeah,
what you they buying pepper. Yeah, pepper.
Yeah, do it.
Cabbage.
Yeah, they do vegetable. Okay,
all
the things in you, just water setting. All the things in you, just water setting today. You say when your mother die, your Lord die, when you are doing.
No, I don't want to talk because I'm in here.
Oh, okay.
I don't want to talk.
No problem.
They say experience for Jesse.
True.
You can go into yourself at this, at that.
Yeah, that's true.
But he had demonstrated that he got an idea about what
He won.
So there's already a nursery site, right?
Yeah, this one.
No, I mean,
There's
For
a
nursery,
site.
so
Yeah.
yeah,
I
I can show the error to put in nursery.
Yeah, he
Because
said
the
you gotta
reason
prepare the site.
you had to put it nearly
Water.
some.
Yeah,
The
water.
whole nursery was
I ain't do
Yeah,
that.
So we gotta
Yeah.
prepare the site.
yeah, I will measure it. Yeah, I will measure it.
Come by Friday, you can update us on where we start with getting the seed.
Yeah, the CD. Nearly milk can go send it. So I get the CD. The one before we go, nearly well finish with the nursery. We finish the field there. So now we can the next day start blocking. Because you can't bring it, you keep it.
No, you can't keep
You
it.
have to bring it. Put it full error. We not carry it there. We carry cartoon.
Once you prepare the site,
Yeah.
come Friday, we can bring it back. 10,000. We use a black plastic bag.
So the people can draw the sack.
Yeah, that's why they say they must prepare the site.
Yeah, okay, prepare it.
Prepare the site and we'll come in with it.
The
Put it
plastic.
in bed.
Everything there.
The women they can fill in, they can save it.
But
But
our work,
before
we
that one,
they make
you have
that
to buy
catalyst, that
sickle.
kind of sport, everything
Getting
there.
it? The sickle, the one can blend it with the farm before you put it in.
We didn't have supervisor, but now that we are looking at it, man, they ain't do the plan, the work plan, and then your work in that work plan for the 3 months. So we can see what if there's a
For
need.
now, that October, November, December, why will you want to see the bit down here? Put it on paper. You want to do sucker winning, we want to do threshing, we want to do nursery. This is how we do it, from the point to the point, you know. And yeah, you know, the material needed, like when you kind of nursery, the material needed,
But he knows.
you put it in. And that's the way plan we're talking about. So plan your work for October, November, December. Why you will want to see happen here?
But
And
now,
how you want,
for
oh,
that-
what you do?
Yeah.
You going to plan now?
Yeah, going plan, yeah.
Good list all.
On paper.
Yeah.
Say that cocoa. I mean, say that
Nursery.
farm, we need to start nursery this month.
Yeah.
And to start a nursery, we need 2 polling beds.
Yeah.
We need 2 seed of palm. Those are the things that we need in the chemical. And we need women power. Another man power now, we need women power to for start winning and also filling the polling bed. So those work
And the cost to do the work.
you put it together. So the work plan now will be following it. So when December comes, we already know that start winning finish. When nursery already growing, then you also put the vegetable. Then when you think the vegetable can start, and what are those vegetables that you want to plant? Either cucumber, you say cucumber can start in February, or cucumber can start so time. We need two cup of cucumber seed, or either pepper. We need 1 bucket of pepper seed, and all the other things.
I pepper bag can sell it in the store, one like
And either corn, you say we need 2 cup of corn seed. All the one. That's what. Yeah, we want you to show us what to do to advise.
Because now we just like
Yeah.
people's information.
Yeah.
Giving you money test. See how you operate.
Try it. We want to try it for 3 months to see we operate. If all of your lady may you're supporting the way you're supporting it works. That's the only way that will make. But you may leave up because the man can talk plenty. You may leave up and the man not do something. Then we leave up.
So that your own man.
That's your own man. But the way you work with him, you'll be comfortable with him. I mean, all of you can work together.
Yeah. I can be here, then we'll go.
And one of the good things he said, I listen to him, maybe move for the pick or he say, if even he working here, and we want for someone to come and be paying you. That means you want to play with and now I say, even he working here, if you want for someone to come and be paying all of you together, what therefore he give it to him, he get time for your. So that kind of bossman we all want, then we can start working with him. Yeah. Someday you will see me, or not see, someday you will see him, or we all come together, depending on our activities. He have to stay in town and say, I'm going to see, we want to find something we want, I want you to go see. I have to come. Even though I older than him, but our bossman, he taking the place of our bossman, so that all our bossmen dinner. You see, he have to say, you know, oh yeah, to come, see, we can look.
Yes, bossman, but he's telling me, make sure the start go to clean it. This man is trashy. So, can you hire to clean the start?
You got a worker here?
You got to work out what?
You just call Mabudu. What we'll do, you're going to call Mabudu for go. That we're looking for somebody to do agricultural work for us. But we see somebody that among you that get the idea. So your work will in the field, they want to come by whatever. Then you will formally now be in the team.
And the brushing and that portion?
Yeah, but if you can take one day off to go do the everybody just leave their portion and take one day.
They're working hard also. We do the industry. I do the industry not far. They're working. Because something they need encouragement. I can be encouraging them. I can tell them, set up here, you're not working. The people come.
No, all of you people are young people.
Yeah.
And you're dealing with somebody that is young. So, and I'll be going, Papi, I want to do the Papi, I have been. It means.
I want text, I do have bring a text.
Every time you Friday, I beg you, my help all gas.
Charlie,
you so bring one thing of gallon. You send gallon also now you ready to send one thing. So now you send 8 gallon. The deal oil will be charging off.
Yeah, that's why we say should not do it little by little.
Yeah.
The Papa is no more, there's no man there. They want you can't call him and appreciate it.
Yeah, I'm about the phone was me or Stigo who will come in to take care of.
Yeah, they all they feel that I've been calling because yes, they can say, oh, come go to maybe I say no, yeah, wait. I just been calling, I say, oh, you're going to come. Yeah, Mr. I'm talking to
the phone will feel me. Well, if I'm working, well, if the time I was saying I'm going to go door for me another time, but I can move on the phone. I can so I say I can move on here. Hello, boy, I can't work. Go. The time the people going down, I want to kill the rest. All the people they actually continue to work. I'll be working. They coming. I say, or so long they want to come. I full encouragement.
Yeah. I ask money. I say, oh, where go come?
Hey guys, so I told you guys about the rice portion of the farm. This is it. We didn't get to tour the pineapple section just because in 300 acres there's a lot to cover. In a few hours the sun was hot, so we couldn't get to it. So I'm going to be bringing you guys that video in probably in the next week or so. But yeah, we just couldn't cover the entire land space on that particular day. But yeah, this is the rice portion. There are some vegetables here as well that were on nursery, pepper, bitter ball, that kind of stuff. And this is mainly for the sustainability of the farm and the workers there. So we're not buying rice because we have to buy rice for them every month. So each worker get a bag of rice every month in addition to their salary. So yeah, just to be sustainable, we kind of came up with the idea of planting rice to be able to feed the workers on the farm and other people that we have there. Eventually, we're going to expand that rice project to go beyond the farm. The goal is hopefully to start refining the rice and bagging it to sell on the Liberian market. But for now, it's a pilot project just on the farm for the workers. So yeah, thanks to you all. Thanks for watching. Like I said, we have amazing content coming your way. Stick and stay with us. And again, just thank you for the support. Thank you for sticking with us.